welcome to the Professional Home Buyer Seller series of videos. I'm Pete Boer, and with my business partner Beth Campbell, we are the Community Realty Group. To view additional videos in this series, simply go to our website at www.thecommunityrealtygroup. We hope you enjoy the show.
I'm here with Matt Burke of SunTrust Mortgage, and with over 8 years in the mortgage industry, Matt has the understanding and expertise to help you as a first-time home buyer, a refinance, or a move-up buyer get into the home of your dreams. Matt's got a solid understanding of the real estate market here in our area, and with his guidance and expertise, your closing should be just as smooth as it can be. And in this video segment, we are going to talk about 100% loans. Matt, do they still exist, and can I get one?
Well, Beth, regarding 100% loans, there was a time when mortgage rules were more lax. There were a lot more 100% loans. But as times have changed, as you read on the news, the mortgage industry has certainly tightened up. Home values are falling. Those kind of things have caused the lenders to discontinue most 100% loans because they're frankly more of a risky loan. So, but there are a few still out there. We previously talked about VA loans. VA loans do allow for 100%. There are some other government-backed loans that allow for 100%. There's a loan called a USDA loan, which is a rural development loan, and those are typically zip code specific. They're trying to promote development in rural areas, so they are allowing 100% loans in some of those zip codes. That loan is a very attractive loan because it does not have mortgage insurance as well. The only other 100% financing per se are loans that essentially have some kind of second mortgage backed by a government entity that are tied to FHA loans. Not everybody can get qualified for those. There's usually income restrictions. They're sometimes geographically pertain to certain geographical areas. And those particular kind of loans, that second loan to make it 100% are typically paid back after they sell or refinance the property.
Are those the kind of loans as realtors we call the good neighbor loan?
Yes, the good neighbor loan. In the lending world, we call them bond loans because they're usually, that money is raised through government sold bonds. And there are multiple bond loans out there. In Georgia, there is the Georgia Dream loan, which is a bond-backed loan. That's probably the most familiar one out there. And then there's some other bond-backed loans that are tied to Fannie Mae loans as well, Fannie Mae-backed bonds, but that's a little more complicated.
Are a lot of these loans depending on what type of career field you're in?
Some do. The Georgia Dream, anybody can get the Georgia Dream as long as they fall into certain income categories, but they do allow for a little more assistance on the down payment side if your employment is maybe in the healthcare field or in law enforcement, firefighters, anything that's in the servicing industry. Sometimes they get teachers. They tend to get more perks per se under those bond loans than a typical buyer.
Fantastic. I'm sure they'll be happy to hear that.
Absolutely.
Thanks again, Matt.
No problem. Thank you, Beth.
Thank you for watching this video segment on 100% loans with Matt Burke of SunTrust Mortgage. Please go to our website at thecommunityrealtygroup.com and visit our video library where you'll find out everything you need to know about buying or selling a home.